we are starting here. I'm talking about Amos teaching. I told you there are 6 teachings, and today we are looking at Amos teachings on punishment and what? Judgment for other nations. And today specifically, we are looking at his teachings on punishment that God was going to give to other nations. That's why we talked about Syria, Philistia, Tyre, Edom, Ammon, and Moab. You start with Syria, and to be specific, in Syria, Damascus. These people of Damascus, they are the one who mistreated the pregnant women of Gilead. You can add there, pregnant women of Gilead. I don't know whether it's pronounced Gilead or it's Gilead. Yes, as long as you know the spelling, I have no problem. So, God was punishing them because they mistreated these women of Gilead. And because they mistreated them, how God was going to punish them, He was going to send fire upon their land. And it was going to destroy everything on that land. These people of Syria also would be taken to where? They would be taken to exile and they will become slaves. The second nation is the nation of Philistia. To be specific, where? Gaza. So what did Gaza do? They also did what? They enslaved citizens of Edom. What they did is, in basic terms, what they did is that they were selling fellow citizens of Edom. They were selling them. They are fellow citizens and they were selling them. They were selling them to work as slaves in the copper industry. The copper industry. So how God was going to punish them is that He was going to send fire to the city wall. In their city to burn everything. The third nation was where? What is the pronunciation of that? The third city? Tyre. Yes, and to be specific, where? In the nation of Lake? Phoenicia. Yes. The Phoenicians were selling Israelites to Edom. They were selling Israelites to Edom to work as what? Slaves. So what God was saying is that they were breaking the covenant of brotherhood. These are their brothers, but that is what they were doing. They were selling them. So still God was going to do what? To send fire. And then when we go to the nation of Edom, the people of Edom were very ruthless to the what? To the Israelites. They were ruthless. They were ruthless in that these are their relatives, but they were killing them. They were killing them. So what God said to these people of Edom is that He was going to do what? To still send fire upon them. And then there was also the nation of Ammon. In the nation of Ammon, just like the second nation, which is what? Not the first one, Syria. Just like in Syria, at Ammon. Ammons also mistreated the women of where? Gilead. The pregnant women of Gilead, they mistreated them. Just the way Syria did, that is what they did. So God was also going to send where? Fire upon their land. And He was going to send their king and their princess to where? To exile. And then the last nation was Moab. The last nation was Moab. And what they did, the Moabites, what they did is after they defeated Edomites have a double name. When they defeated the Edomites, yes. When they defeated, after they defeated the Edomites, what they did, they went to the royal graves. And then they took the bones of the kings. And then they burnt them into ashes. And that was wrong. So how was God going to punish them? What He was going to do is that He was going to slay their king and their princess. What is slaying? a what? A sword, yes? Yes. To slay them maybe at the neck, yes? That is how you slay. So that is how God was going to punish them. So that's all about how God was going to punish other nations.